Secure and stable pallet packaging is essential, and the Pallet Stretch Wrapper machine is the perfect solution for efficient and professional pallet wrapping. This advanced machine automatically wraps stretch film around pallets to ensure tight, uniform, and secure packaging every time. With adjustable wrapping parameters such as film tension, rotation speed, and wrapping cycles, it can be customized according to different load requirements. The user-friendly control panel makes operations simple. Just place the pallet on the turntable, attach the film, and the machine handles the rest. Its high-performance stretch system provides strong load containment, reduces product movement during transportation, and protects goods from dust, moisture, and external damage. Suitable for warehouses, FMCG industries, pharmaceuticals, food processing units, and manufacturing facilities. This machine adapts to various pallet sizes and load heights. With high-speed performance, consistent film application, reduced manual labor, low maintenance, energy-efficient operation, and durable industrial-grade construction, the Pallet Stretch Wrapper machine ensures safe transit and improved productivity. If you are looking for reliable, cost-effective, and professional pallet packaging, this machine is the ideal choice. For more information, connect with us through the contact details given below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video